Jamaica,
Four
watch
person
this.
in life you can't trust. One, your family. They will do you some things more time in life. You have to sit back and you have to say to yourself, so John was there. I'm a family, do me that, you know. And it hurts so much. Two, your friend. Your friend hurt you so much. You have to look back in yourself and you have to say to yourself, say, John, look how I did it for them. Look how I did it for them. Look how I move the mountain for them. Three, your relationship. Your relationship. In a relationship, them are your biggest enemy. Don't tell yourself, say, oh, him or her, nah go do that. Open your eye. Look out. Four, your co-worker. Your co-worker. Your what name? Co-worker. It's not your friend. It's not nothing to you. Your co-worker. That doesn't mean you have to tell them your business. You go to work to work. You never go to work to chat up, look friends or whatever.